Hi, I'm Max Chaudhary, an immigration lawyer at Chaudhary Law Office. Today I want to dive into some recent developments regarding Canada's temporary resident policies, specifically how they impact international students and temporary foreign workers. As these changes roll out, it's important to understand the competing interests at play. Many international students and temporary foreign workers come to Canada seeking opportunities for education, career advancement, and pathways to permanent residency. They've long benefited from Canada's relatively open policies, which allow them to study, work, and contribute to the country's economy. However, recent restrictions are poised to change that landscape. With the government planning to limit study permits and work permits, individuals who dreamed of building a future in Canada may face significant hurdles. For example, temporary workers often seek permanent residency after gaining valuable Canadian work experience, but if their work permits are restricted, those plans may need to be reassessed. On the flip side, the government is addressing concerns about the pressure that large numbers of temporary residents place on the labor market. In some regions, unemployment is already high, and the influx of temporary workers can make it more difficult for Canadian citizens to find jobs. There's also a broader issue that affects the issue of resource allocation, like affordable housing being stretched in densely populated urban areas and in small university towns across Canada. Reducing the number of temporary residents could alleviate some of these pressures and allow for more sustainable growth, particularly in regions that are struggling to keep up with demand for housing and employment. As you can see, this is a complex issue with significant implications. If you're an international student or temporary foreign worker facing uncertainty, or if you have questions about how these changes might affect your immigration status, reach out to Chaudhary Law Office. We're here to help you guide you through Canada's ever-evolving immigration system. Contact us today for a consultation.